Yeah. Now is my time. Now is my time.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and this is the video you've all been waiting for. This is me explaining why I haven't uploaded, or why I won't be able to upload as frequently as I used to be. Well, first of all, I just got promoted into a manager position in my school, at my workplace in school, at my on-campus job basically, and it takes up a lot of my time, majority of my time. And then even though I don't live on campus, I have to drive to school Monday through Friday, and some days I'm in school from 9:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. and then traffic has been terrible, because if you live in New Jersey, you know the Garden State Parkway is garbage, and then there's always traffic, and they've been closing up lanes way too much now. So with that, I haven't been able to upload a lot. That takes, like I said, it takes a majority of my time. But also, nothing good has even come out. Like, besides like the off-white drops here and there, what else cool has never to drop? Burma hasn't dropped anything. Shout out to Jordan one time. The FTP shoes, I already got them early, so there was no point of, well, there was a point of copying another pair, but there also wasn't a point of showing another unboxing for a pair I already had, if that makes sense. Ian Connor hasn't dropped any Vans. Other clothing brands like Noah and Pleasant is that new like upcoming brand on Instagram. There's just not, they don't get the views that I would want to see my YouTube channel do. It's like you guys don't want to see them unless, like, you know, someone like Jacob Star unboxes it. So there's really no point of it. So it's kind of like a little purgatory time until FTP starts dropping big capsules. Until like Ian Connor says he's gonna drop more Revenge Storms real soon, and I need another pair because my pair is starting to get beat. But I'm gonna keep this a pretty short video. That's just me saying why I won't be able to upload as frequently. But I plan on making one huge Supreme unboxing video of everything I'm gonna cop for this season, because this season's actually not that bad. I might have to pay resale for some stuff, but I mean, at the end of the day, it's worth it. And then, yeah, that's all. I want to say thank you guys for your time. Like and subscribe if I don't say that you guys won't do it. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your lives.